Welcome to my channel. Eero WiFi blinking red light fix step-by-step troubleshooting guide. First, check power supply. Make sure the Eero is properly plugged into a working wall socket. A loose or damaged power cable can prevent it from starting correctly. Second, inspect Ethernet cable. Check if the Ethernet cable between the modem and the Eero is securely connected. Try replacing the cable if it's old or damaged. Third, restart modem and Eero. Unplug both your modem and Eero router. Wait 30 seconds, then plug in the modem first and the Eero after 1 minute. Fourth, test internet from modem. Connect a laptop or PC directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable. If you don't get internet, the issue is likely with your service provider. Fifth, use the Eero app. Open the Eero app to check for alerts or configuration errors. Follow any instructions the app shows to resolve connectivity issues. Sixth, reposition the Eero device. If it's a secondary, satellite, Eero, place it closer to the main unit. Avoid thick walls, microwaves, or other signal blockers nearby. Seventh, update firmware. Go to the Eero app settings and check for software updates. An outdated firmware version may cause connectivity or signal issues. Eighth, perform a soft reset. Press and hold the reset button on the back of the Eero for 7 seconds, then release. This resets the device without erasing your settings. Ninth, disable VPN/firewall temporarily. Sometimes, active VPNs or strict firewalls block Eero's connection. Try disabling them and then reconnecting the Eero. Thank you for watching.